Do you know, if you wish to permanently avoid all forms of pain and suffering, you must learn to identify with your soul. In the next verse, 23 and 24 of chapter 2 of Bhagavad Gita, Bhagwan Shri Krishna explains to Arjuna about the essence of spirit and bliss. Just this one knowledge about identification with the soul instead of the body has the power to completely transform your life and dissolve all your life problems. So today we shall be going very deep into this most important knowledge of the universe, and I will show you how it can transform your life. So stay with us till the end. And if you have not subscribed till now, I suggest you to subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss out on the forthcoming videos in this series. But before we start, kindly allow me to pay my gratitude to my Guru. Om Ram Shri Kanhaiyalal Sharmaye Namaha. Om Shri Guruve Namaha. So Bhagwan Shri Krishna says, Nainam chindanti shastrani, nainam dahati pavaka, na chainam kledayante apo, na shoshyati maruta. Shastrani, or the weapons, cannot shred the soul, nor can pavaka, or the fire, burn it. Apaha, or water, cannot wet it, nor can the maruta, or the wind, dry it. The soul cannot be contacted by any material object. Now this is so only because the soul is divine and has a higher vibratory essence. This soul cannot be touched by anything of grosser vibratory quality. Neither the weapons, nor the all-consuming flames, nor it can be wetted by liquids, nor can it be touched by the wind. We must understand the spirit, or this universal consciousness, has created the soul. It has created the intellect, the mind, the prana. All the material objects made up of Panch Mahabhutas are also a creation of the spirit, and they are made up of the grossest vibrations. The Panch Mahabhutas, or the 5 gross elements, they constitute the visible world. So the soul, which has higher subtle vibration, it cannot be disturbed by the gross vibrations of the Panch Mahabhutas, or by the solids, liquid, gas, or energy. Let me share with you the secret of the universe. Whether anything is made up of gross vibrations or the fine vibrations, all manifestations in the universe are just the dreaming consciousness of the spirit. Just as in the dream state, you may fight a terrible battle and you may get severely wounded, but none of these affect you in real. When you wake up from that dream state, you find you are perfectly safe and sound. So just as the dreamer is untouched by his dream, so the soul is unaffected by the Panch Mahabhutas. And these Panch Mahabhutas, or the 5 elements, they have evolved out of the divine dream consciousness of the dreamer, which is the spirit. When the awakened soul becomes conscious of its oneness with the spirit, the physical consciousness of man changes from the delusive dreams to that of soul consciousness. He is able to see the world as a series of dream images, floating in the mind of the cosmic dreamer. He now knows that in reality, the dream sword cannot slay him, cannot harm him. No matter how devastating may be his dream, the dreamer is never hurt by them. He finds himself safe after the dream. Similarly, the human soul dreamer may be temporarily frightened by his experiences during this dream of life. But when he awakens in God, lo, he is safe and sound. And in the next verse 24 of chapter 2, Lord Shri Krishna says, the soul is achedyo or unbreakable and adayo or incombustible. It can neither be akledeyo or dampened nor ashosh. That means it cannot be dried. It is nitya, which means everlasting. It is sarvagata, that is, it is all pervading in all places. Sthanu, it is unalterable. It is achal, that is immutable. And sanatana, that is primordial. So Bhagwan Shri Krishna is again driving in the point about immortality. Just as a skillful teacher, he often repeats a point many times so that it goes deep into the heart of the student. Bhagwan Shri Krishna often uses repetition, as a tool to highlight important spiritual practices, spiritual principles, to ensure that, they are grasped by the student very deeply. So in the previous shloka, he had told that no material objects, whether it is weapons or fire or water or wind, they can affect the soul. They cannot touch the soul. He now further explains that the soul itself possesses those mysterious qualities of self-conscious existence. This is very important to understand. Every man is a mixture of the mortal and the immortal. He is a changeless soul and also has a changeable body. Because of his delusion, he identifies his soul with the body. He ascribes to himself the bodily limitations. So it is that body that can be cut, that can be burned, that can be wetted, that can be dried, that can be hurt. So the individual who identifies with the body thinks that it is he who is afflicted and is then subjected to the final indignity of the death. But on the other hand, the man who has realized his true self identifies himself as the soul, which is omnipresent, which is eternal, nitya, which is ever undisturbed. Therefore, if you want to permanently avoid all forms of misery, you must learn to identify yourself with the soul and not the body. When a man identifies himself with the body, he has to suffer so many cycles of incarnations, undergoing numerous rebirths and their attendant miseries. Every advanced devotee, during his deep meditation, realizes omnipresence, omniscience, and the ever new joy of the Spirit sometimes in his meditation. And after coming out of that ecstasy, he should try to retain those experiences of ecstasy in his conscious mind. This is the way human consciousness expands into cosmic consciousness. For the wise men who have understood this concept of this one divine consciousness, there exists no duality. For them, everything is an interconnected web of consciousness. We are all essentially the part of one supreme reality called Parabrahma. And only those having this true knowledge are able to design an extraordinary life for themselves. So if you wish to learn more secrets to design an extraordinary life, you can join my free workshop, whose link is given below. And in my free workshop, I tell you the secrets to design your extraordinary life. And I am your brother guide to prosperity. And my mission is to help you realize the dreams of your life and help you achieve something worthwhile in life, for which your family, your parents, and your children can be proud of. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.